What's going on, guys? Dujo here, coming at you guys with a brand new video. In this video today, we're going to be fixing my single turbo 335. So what we're going to be doing, if you guys don't remember, in the last video I ended up blowing up my differential. So now I'm going to be swapping out that diff and I'm going to be putting in another stock diff, open diff. But I know I asked in the last video if I should do the 8.8 conversion, guys, but financially it's just not really possible right now. So I'm actually just going to swap out, put another open diff in there, 3.46 ratio. It's the automatic one that I had before. But instead of welding, I'm just going to put it back in the way it is because I'm a little skeptical with the welded diff. But until I can find a solution, maybe LSD or do the 8.8 conversion when I save up some money. But for now, we're just going to put the open diff in. I'm going to get the car towed to the shop right now because it was just with the tools. I don't have all the tools here at the garage to do it, so we're going to do it at the shop. We're going to get it towed right now, and then we're going to bring it to the shop and get it fixed, and hopefully get it back on roads, get some pulls for you guys. Alright guys, so got it jacked up, on the lift, got German 2J over here helping out, welded, broken one, and then here's the new to me open diff.
We're gonna give it a quick powder coating, guys.
Quick powder coat. Just spray up Zaya real quick.
Yeah. You're gonna want to make sure you have it oiled up, with a couple stains and stuff, nice and shiny, and then give it another coat. As you can see, that's glistening.
The axle's down, drive shaft down. You can see the solid diff bushings.
You understand that he was salty saying that. Or did you not understand what he meant? He's upset that you didn't take videos of him.
Who are you talking to?
You!
Oh, I already know.
I'm telling the viewers. Why do you guys follow this guy, dude?
Now we're back in the car. We just fixed everything up, tightened it up. Now we're going for a couple test pulls, see how it's pulling.
Yo, I shot a huge flame.
I know I seen that.
I don't know if you can see it.
I think it got it. I don't know. Alright guys, so I'm in the car right now. This is the setup I'm rocking with. I'm testing out the new GoPro setup. I got the head mount. Right now in today's video, I'm going to be doing the head mount, but I also got a suction mount that I could stick to the roof over there. That'd be pretty sick. And so yeah, I'm going to test out the new head mount. As you guys can see, I'm just testing, seeing what my footage looks like right now. I don't know how the audio sounds, guys, but don't mind the tire pressure light and the airbags. Don't worry, I'm good, guys. The tire pressure, I just gotta check my tire pressure. I think it's just a little bit low, that's why the light came on. It's not crazy low. Mustang for you guys right now. We got a GT right here. Cool guy in the Mustang GT. Looks like a newer version. Mustang didn't want it, guys. I was like trying to do hand signals with them. He seen the GoPro flashing. We're stuck behind this bus right now. I want to show you guys how to properly get on the highway here. Let's roll the windows up. We got a nice little pull in the tunnel there for you guys. I really want to pull over and see how the audio sounds. I wonder if you guys can hear a word I'm saying to you guys right now. If you do, like the video. I kind of want to just cruise in the right lane and see if I could run into anyone. I don't know, I got a little bit over a half tank. We see how long we can do this for. Watch the footage. Try to get some blow off that. Good thing we got good brakes, boys. That's why we got good brakes.